So, good question was brought up on combining like terms. And this is very, very important. I'll try not to make this too long for you, OK? So when combining like terms, you guys obviously know, Adara, that 3 plus 2, those are like terms. They're both numerals, right? So, or both numbers. So therefore, we can say 5 plus 2 can be simplified into, or 3 plus 2 can just be simplified into 5. Does that make sense, right? Then the next thing we started talking about was when we started dealing with variables, all right? And a lot of times when we think of variables, a lot of times, we want to kind of give it an object name to kind of understand it. So if I said I had 3x plus 2x, right? Well, really, what does 3x represent? That just really means x times x times x plus x times x. No, that doesn't. Sorry. That means x plus x plus x plus x plus x, right? 3x just means you're just adding something by itself 3 times, right? Yes? 3 times x just means x plus x plus x. 2 times x just means x plus x. So therefore, when we simplify that, we say, oh, well, that really means if you say x plus x plus x plus x plus x, that means 5x, right? Yes? OK. So if I said 2x squared plus 2x squared, well, that means x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared, which equals 4x squared. So all we do is when you have the same exact terms, you can just add them up, right? And so a lot of times we'd say, what's 3 apples plus 2 apples? And then you'd say, well, obviously, then the answer is 5 apples. And the reason a lot of times we'll give you like apples or sticks or something like that, so you can understand that is a common element that you can combine. But let's go and take a look at, what if I did 3x plus 2y? Well, 3x means x plus x plus x plus y plus y. So what does 3x plus 2y equal? It doesn't equal 5x. It doesn't equal 5y. It equals 3x plus 2y, right? These, you cannot combine your x's and y, like apples and oranges, right? They're different. These represent different values, so you can't combine them. Now let's get into the point of, well, what about if it's x's and x squareds? So if I did 3x plus 2x squared, well, this represents, x's mean x plus x plus x, and this represents plus x squared plus x squared. Now, when we're talking about adding like terms, they have to have the same variable factors. The factors of this are just x and 1. But the factors of this are x times x. And what you notice is these are not the same terms. These cannot be written the same. If you were to factor these, you can only factor terms that have the exact same factors, right? These all have the exact same factors, which are going to be x and 1. These all have the same factors, which is x times x. These terms do not share the same factors. Does everybody see that? So therefore, you cannot combine these. This is just simply going to be 3x plus 2x squared. Did that help at all? No? OK.